I really want to make my own drawings like Starlight Star. I will buy a stylus pen.
Haha, I am so smart.
Well, these all pens look so amazing. Let's check their price.
Oh my God!
Wanna make your own drawings, but don't have your own stylus pen? Then make one at your home. So, it's so easy to make a stylus pen. You just need three things. Just three things. One pen. You can use any pen. I'm using this pen. One cotton bud. Here. And some aluminium foil here. Now what you have to do is just open the pen and remove the ink from it because we don't need it, like this, and put it back here. Now close it up first. Now we need some we just don't need these. Yeah, we need some cotton bud and some scissors and cut it like this. You need to cut it like this, like this, so it can fit in the pen nicely. You don't need to cut it like this straight. You need to cut little inverted, like a little like this, as I'm showing, like this, and cut it so it can fit in the pen nicely. Cut it. Yeah, nicely, and yeah, here we go. Now you just need to fit it in like this nicely. Remember, you have to cut as I have shown. If it is not fitting, you have not done it nicely. You can use some sellotape to attach it nicely to the pen. Now, yeah. So, yeah, like this. Then you need some aluminium foil. Here we don't need this. This is aluminium foil, and we need to just wrap it all around to the pen. Remember, you have to attach it with the cotton bud. You have to attach with the cotton bud, or if you have not attached it to the cotton bud, it will not work. Nicely attached with the cotton bud, wrap it all around, and remember, don't tear it up. It will become a mess and it won't work like that. And nicely, yeah, wrap it all around. like this. And yeah, remember, if you want to use some sellotape, you can use, but I don't think there is need because mine is attached nicely without sellotape. So yeah, as you can see, now we need some water. Here are some water. Here we go. Now listen the thing nicely. You need your finger and dip it in the water nicely like this, and put it on the cotton bud and on the foil too, like this. See, so if you want use water, it won't work, so don't forget to use the water like this nicely. And also use, if you are using it after a long time, it won't work if you want to use water on it. Now let's try it. So as you can see how nicely it's working, it's so smooth. And yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna test it. You can test it. Let me test it in Blackboard. It's an app. See, let's write something. Let me show you. Awesome. Here we go. And cool. Here you can see. And see, wow. And you can even draw using this. You can even draw. Like there are so many apps for drawing, like Sketchbook and iPaint and many things. And so yeah, however, if you use it after a long time, you need to apply water. If you want to apply water to work, so yeah, you need to apply water after a long time. So yeah, it's easy to make a stylus pen. You can make it at home, and I think you would be having all the materials at home. So yeah, thank you.